So good morning to all. So today we are going to study about some basic networking tools, some commands. So these all commands we are running using command prompt CMD in Windows operating system. So first command is ping command. Ping. So ping command, it is used to identify that a particular server or a machine is accessible or not. So how to put that ping means we can simply use the command ping, ping. So it has two uses to ensure that a network connection can be established or the timing information about the speed of connection. For example, if you put a ping after any domain name, so it will reply like that how much time it takes for a reply. So here one example is here in your textbook. So the ping space cbseacademic.nic.in. So it take so if you are running this ping command, you can get this type of output. So it first find that IP address, then it returns how much time it takes. So look at that in downside, packet sent for received for lost to 0. So time also here, minimum time 19 millisecond, maximum 35 millisecond, average 25 millisecond. So ping command is used to understand that a destination machine is accessible or not, or a destination site. Then it will also provide the time also, how much time it takes to send one packet from your machine to that machine. Second one, a trace route. So a trace route command for Linux operating system and a trace rect for Windows. So this command is used to identify the path. So for example, if you are putting tracerect space www.facebook.com, then from your machine to that Facebook server, so in intermediate how many machines are available, it shows all the path, the route of your request. So that is the use of tracerect command. It identify all the route. So here look at that, one example is that tracerect cbseacademic.nic.in. then it will show through which of the machine it will the request is move. So first 92.168.0.1, then it is again 10.22225.0.1. so finally after 19 millisecond it reached the destination. So that is a full path we can see by using tracerect. So next one, ns lookup. Ns lookup is used to identify your DNS server. So DNS we are already study what you mean by DNS server, domain name system, in order to get your corresponding name IP address. So if you are just use your ns lookup, you can identify your domain name server, which domain name server provides that domain names to your system. So that is by using ns lookup. Next command, ipconfig. So ipconfig, or we can use ipconfig bar all. So if you are put ipconfig, it shows the IP address. It first show the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway. But if you are using ipconfig slash all, it shows the all the information like IP address, MAC address, and default gateway, DHCP server, all the information it shows. So this is the use of ipconfig in order to find the IP address of a machine. So next one, whois command. Whois command is used to identify, to get some information about a particular domain name, which information like who is registered, that when it is registered, and what is the expiring time, like that. So who is, we are look at the who is minus h google.com. So it provides the information about Google domain name, registration time, then who is sponsoring, or like that. Full information we can get by using whois command. So syntax is whois minus such domain name. So last one is called speed test. Speed test, in order to identify the speed test, so we can move to the speedtest.net on the internet, then just click on go. You can identify that the ping speed, downloading speed, and uploading speed of your internet. So these are the main 6 networking tools. So we can see one by one using in practical. So I will show by using it practical. So the first command is ping. So I use ping command, ping space. I use Facebook, www.facebook.com. So, Facebook. 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 So look at that, this ping command, it shows that it takes 44 millisecond minimum time to reach that facebook.com, then maximum time 53 millisecond, average time 48 millisecond. So this is the use of ping command, ping. So next command is tracerect, TRACERT. I am using Windows only, so I use tracerect, TRACERT, space. I use same Facebook, www.facebook.com. So it shows the full path, the trace from my machine to that Facebook server. So first it is moved to 190.168.1.1, then again, so 1 2 3 4, then it running, it is not completed. So look at that, finally after sixth machine only of my Facebook server, so it traces the complete path. So this is the use of tracerect command. So next we can use the command nslookup. So I need to identify my domain name, server name, nslookup. So I use nslookup. So here my server name is dns.keralavision.isp.com. This is my default DNS server. So next command I use ipconfig. So ipconfig. So look at that, if ipconfig shows the IP address, subnet and the default gateway. So this is use of ipconfig. Then the last one we can use the speed test. So speed test, it is used in a browser only. So I take one browser and we can move to the speedtest.com, speedtest.net. So here I take one browser, then I put speedtest.net. So I just click that. So we can, if you are click that speed test, we can move to another site. And here one go symbol is there. I just click on that go symbol. So now we can wait a while. That shows the uploading download, means downloading ping and uploading speed. So my ping it take 40 millisecond only. So it shows the downloading and uploading. So download speed is 12 MB per second, 12 Mbps second. So I can download 12 MB per second by using my connection. So then next it shows my uploading speed. So my uploading speed is 14.45 MB per second. So this is the use of speed test. So hope you understand today's class. It's very simple. So these all the commands are important.